With a mission to help companies gainfully adopt digital technologies to transform business, Fusionova technologies can deliver game-changing efficiencies and better customer experiences. Embark on a digital journey with us. Transform your business and collaborate with partners to exceed the needs of the digital age. We use appropriate technologies to improve business processes, provide transparent and real-time information visibility to internal users and external partners. We facilitate improved decision-making and optimal utilization of resources. We at Fusionova are proud to have helped companies, small, medium, and large, to adopt new ideas and perform better. We also have learned from every project we worked on and are able to share knowledge with others. We always look to deliver cost-effective solutions and believe in doing more with less. Exploring our technology solutions, we have Collaborative Multi-Warehouse Management System or eWMS, Retail Store Management System or the iRetail, E-commerce Marketplace, Tracking Portal and Biometric and AI Attendance Management System. As for our Multi-Warehouse Management System or eWMS, our WMS has been deployed for third-party logistics, distributors, wholesalers in chemicals, electronics, health and fashion, automobile parts and spares, ship chandlery and machine construction and others in Singapore, Malaysia, and India. We are helping two of our customers in chemical logistics to collaborate using the eWMS in Singapore. eWMS is enabling two of our customers to handle multiple product categories like DG and non-DG chemicals, bonded items, general items, and ship chandlery and marine spares for their multiple warehouses. Our WMS comes with automated data entry, palletization and product barcode labeling, real-time barcode scanning for put-away and picking, automated reports on inbound and outbound goods movement, alerts for low stock, expiry date, automated invoicing, inventory and location management, productivity and performance management, user accountability and traceability, stock count, inventory adjustments and reports, and analytics on good movement, cost, and revenue. Our WMS allows customers and their suppliers, partners, and customers to have single point of real-time visibility of information and also input advanced goods incoming or outgoing information into the WMS. We can also integrate WMS with third-party systems. For our Retail Store Management System or the iRetail, we can improve your digital store experience with optimized customer service solutions. Fusionova can offer you a multi-store retail management system integrated with purchasing, goods receipt using mobile devices, mobile barcode scanning for check-in-out with location management. User can also do purchase using mobile apps in store and do self-checkout. Some of the other features include vendor management, multi-store visibility, customer relationship manager, price and profit setup, location and product management, quality control and inventory, business intelligence, and lastly, we can integrate with third-party systems. For the e-commerce marketplace, we primarily develop most of the solutions as web-enabled and mobile-friendly apps. We have developed e-commerce platforms that can be used as a marketplace or for a single distributor or retailer with payment integration. Buyers and sellers can use a rich set of tools within the system to identify and analyze buying trends and patterns, sales and profitability, and user behavior. For the trucking and shipping portal, we have developed a platform to aggregate truckers and shippers and bring better service and savings to the community. It is an online portal to facilitate matchmaking of truckers and shippers. Portal aims to maximize capacity utilization, reduce empty backhaul of trucks, and bring time and cost savings to both truckers and shippers. We facilitate real-time location tracking of vehicles, the real-time order fulfillment status, and invoicing. The biometric and AI-based attendance management system. We have developed and implemented facial and fingerprint-based biometric and AI attendance management system with real-time and user-friendly reports to facilitate overtime payment and analyze employee leave patterns. Our digital solutions offer you a roadmap for transformation as well as the technology to truly go digital. For our management consulting and business transformation, we work as a partner alongside our clients to align technology needs with business goals from strategy to execution. As for the customized software systems development, we offer full business cycle consulting, software development, rollout services, and project implementation. Fusionova technology focuses on understanding your existing systems and successfully innovate and translate into competitive advantages for your company. We prioritize stakeholders' desired improvements. The systems integration and network infrastructure setup. We optimize operation. Our customers trust us to provide a one-stop solution to solve their business problems using technology. Our team can manage your network infrastructure design and implementation from the ground up, connecting multiple sites, bringing up new locations, and powering the business systems your company needs to thrive. Websites or portals and content management system. For our digital marketing, Fusionova technology focuses on strategy, connecting people, and creating experiences. Using our expertise and best practices, we do things differently. We ensure your business thrives with better approach, interactions, engagement, and quality. Cybersecurity and data analytics. Businesses today are overflowing with data. Because of this data explosion, it has become seemingly difficult to capture, process, and store big or complex data sets. Fusionova technology understands the importance of protecting information assets to ensure continuous availability and protect data from theft. We help our customers gain insights from the data stored in various systems. Better insights means better business decisions and outcomes. We thereby help customers to provide more personalized services, cheaper, faster, and better. We promise to facilitate business transformation and collaboration.